Do you want to level up your gaming video and attract more fans? It's very easy. In today's video, I will show you how you can record your gaming session and use different effects to decorate your game videos in Filmora.
Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any Filmora tutorials in the future.
First, recording game screen. After you've launched Filmora, click on Record and select Record PC Screen from the drop-down menu. Then you can switch to the game interface. Now extend the settings to configure more for the screen recording. I'll change the destination of the screen recording, keep the original frame rate, and select Best Quality from the Quality drop-down menu. Also, turn on your camera or phone to record yourself gaming, which we need to use after. At the same time, click on the red Record button to start a new screen recording session, and the software will start recording after a 3-second countdown. Now you can switch to your game and start playing. Once you're done with your gaming session, press F9 to stop recording, and the file will be automatically imported into the media pool, and you can edit it right away in Filmora. Second, reframing your gaming video. Now, import your camera footage of yourself gaming into the media pool that we have recorded already. Then drag the game screen recording on the first track and the camera video onto the third track. Change the size of the camera video and place it in a suitable position. Now we have a picture-in-picture video. You can also use the other 3 methods to enhance your video look, like these: lower third, mask, or AI portrait. Third, decorating your gaming video. After we did some basic steps to the camera video, now we can start to decorate it. Let's go to the Effects tab and look for AR sticker. I'll choose these ones and drag them onto my camera video. Of course, you can also use different styles for your video. Now, it's showtime. Indian style, bling bling style, and emoji style. As you can see, the video becomes special and interesting, right? Now let's go to the Effects tab again and search Game Overlay. I'll use this effect and drag it onto the camera video. P.S. You can also go to Film Stock to download the game-related resources you need. Then go back to Filmora to the Film Stock tab. You'll see many different styles effects being extended on the media pool. For this part, we can add 2 keyframes to create an animation for the camera video and make it more cool, and change the video position on the preview window. Finally, retouching the game screen. You can also improve your gaming video by explaining the detail of your game, or you just might want to make your video more fantastic. Cut the video to an appropriate position, then move the camera video to the second track. Now let's go to the Titles tab and search Game Overlay. I'll use this one and drag it onto the third track, and adjust the screen recording to fit in the frame. You can choose a different frame to decorate your video depending on your game style, like these: 1, 2, 3. Now, let's add an animation to present the camera video in the frame and move its position. For the final detail, let's go to the Transition tab, and I'll use this awesome transition and place it between these 2 clips. Okay, now let's have a look at the final result.
If you'd like to recreate this video, you can navigate to Filmora Creator Academy in Filmora Video Editor and click Import Template at the bottom left of the video to get the project files. Then replace the default media with your clips. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload new videos in the future. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel, and comment below to let us know what you'd like to learn next. Till next time, stay creative with Filmora.